It is cold here in Sydney today, so I thought I'd take you inside and show you a really cool little thing I found at IKEA to get my desk organised. Let's go. Door closed, heater on, let's talk desk organisation. Right behind me here is the product I'm talking about. It is a pegboard called Skadis from IKEA. It comes with a couple of different accessories so you can customize it to the way you want it. This pegboard comes in a few different sizes. I've got one mounted already which is a rectangle, but this one here is a sort of square shape. Now the idea with it is that you need to drill 2 screws in to the wall and mount it on this rail, and then it rests on the rail and you can put all your accessories into these holes. Let me show you the accessories now. So these are the accessories that I bought for my board. Let me flip over to the actual board on the wall and show you what they look like. So here is the moment you've all been waiting for. Here is the board. Let me zoom in and you can have a close-up look. So as I said earlier, it mounts onto 2 screws. There's the screws there. They just need to be drilled into the wall. And I'll show you a quick glimpse of how it looks against the wall. So there's a little bit of a gap, and down the bottom here it just rests. It's not actually screwed in. So looking at the accessories, we've got the little shelf here that I use for a pot plant, and you can put little things in there, like I've got a sharpener, etc. There's the little book holder. You can put several books in there, it's deep enough for that. There's a little hook up here. They actually come in a packet of 5, I think it was, so that you can use those for different things. I've also got another hook here which I use for my headphones, which has a little bit more depth to it, and they just easily rest on top of that. And I've got a little cup holder for my pencils and pens. And that's it for my board. I didn't end up mounting the paper roll accessory. I'm going to use that on the other board. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that quick review. I just had a quick flick through the IKEA catalogue, the Australian one. I couldn't see it in there, but maybe I've missed a page. Anyway, it's called Skadis, just in case you didn't catch the name. So just look for that name in the aisles, and all the products are under that name as well. I hope you enjoyed the review, and I'm off to have some chocolate as I've got a bit of a craving. See you soon.